This video, we're going to cover dynamic email content. So as you look at the screen here, I've gone down to notifications, so you can configure X number of notifications, really as many as you want in the system. So this one here, incident commented v2, I just took an existing notification and copied it and added v2 onto the end of it. A couple things. So the table that the notification is related to, so in this case the incident table is what's going to drive this notification. When to send, so when I click on that tab there, whatever conditions you set here are going to dictate when this notification is sent. So in this case, whenever the additional comments are changed, this is going to trigger this notification. Who will receive it? So you can configure here what users will receive it or groups will receive it, etc. So that's similar to how the watch list works in other areas of the system. Those can be dynamic values as well. What will it contain? And so this is, I think, the crux of the question. Can it contain HTML content, images, things like that, and also can fonts be adjusted, and can dynamic values be inserted? So as you look at this here, subject incident, so that's the static, so much as you just type that in there. But this dollar number is a reference to the incident number that's generated. So when this notification fires, it's going to pull the incident number into the subject line here for the incident that this notification is related to. In the body down here, you can see we have fonts on the beginning of the sentence set one way, and then over to the right we've used comic font, so you can change the fonts as needed. Here's the email, I'm sorry, not the email, here's the image that I've inserted, which is actually attached at the top of this notification and inserted here in the body of the email. And then just a couple other things. Put some dynamic content in here. So this dollar short description is a reference to the short description field in the incident table. So it will put whatever the short description is in that part of the email when this is sent. And then the same thing here for category. And so that's all you have to do to configure them. Pretty straightforward. And again, they can contain rich content. And then I've already run through this and actually sent this email by changing an incident. So just switching over to that email that was sent. So as you look at my test account here in Google, I've received an email. Here's some dynamic content that's been inserted. So in this case, it was the incident number. You can see here the fonts have been respected from our configuration. There's the image that we inserted. And then down here, we dynamically insert short description and category. So that's it, just a quick example of rich content within a notification.